Hey guys, today we're looking at a 2017 Harley Davidson Street Glide, and this is in Velocity Red. This bike's got a really nice upgrades done to it. We've got the taller windshield. We also have the Screamin' Eagle intake. Chrome on the engine looks amazing. Rider and passenger floorboards. And we have the Vance and Hines dual exhaust. Looks awesome, sounds even better. Quick release system setup for passenger backrest or a luggage rack. We also have the highway pegs already mounted up on the engine guards. We have those on the rear as well. We have dual disc brakes up in the front. And some really interesting but comfortable handlebars. Got that little point to them. The miles. Really clean bike, especially for the year. A couple nice upgrades to it. Come check it out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.